What's up, guys? Bionicle Combiners back again with another Transformers video review. This time I am doing Transformers Animated Cybertron Mode Ratchet. Very nice figure. Rolls really well. And he actually sounds like he's on treads too. You know, really nice figure. I forgot to plug these black pieces onto him. So just give me a second and I'll put the second that on. The black pieces, you know, these are his fist gauntlet thingies. Don't know what the heck they're called. Yeah. They look like one of those revival magnet things that the jumpers that I think that's what it is. He's actually a pretty solid figure. He's definitely not as small as RC was. They're both Toys R Us exclusives. Walmart's getting this exact same mold as an exclusive, but it's going to be Ironhide. And that is going to look nice. It's kind of lopsided, I don't know why. Okay, that fixes it. It's all good. To get him in with a actual Generations figure in truck and his ambulance mode, here is Drift. Yeah, transformation, fairly simple. Untap it from there, swing the leg around like that. Fold this down, flip and turn it, flip out the foot like that. Straighten out these two pieces. Extend that piece. Fold this up. Close this together and flip this down. That pretty much makes his body. To whereas his arms and his head and his back, you're gonna untab these pieces from behind. And you're going to swing it around, and it's actually got this little twisty turny thing. You're going to twist it to where it comes out like that. You kind of got to do that for both arms. There we go. The whole piece comes down like this. You're going to flip up his head, and you're going to secure his shoulders into the body. And then you're going to flip these pieces up. And there you go. One of the noticeable differences with the head, two of them actually. Well, one's not really that noticeable, but one's really noticeable. One is he doesn't have this broken head crest anymore. That's all secure and all that. But one of the things that I actually noticed on him was he's actually smiling. You know, instead of that old, I'm cranky, don't mess with me look. On the first one, this one was all like, hey, what's up? You know, he just seems a lot happier on this figure, and you know, that's something that I thought was kind of nice. Ratchet himself, really nice. When pictures first came out, I thought he was going to be like the stupidest thing ever, but really he's a really nice figure. You can't see the light piping, but surprising enough, it kind of works. basically, in the little black pieces that I forgot to put on his ambulance mode, they both basically just come right over and they tab in, and he holds them very solidly. I'm quite happy with how well he holds them. Once you get that all done, and there's actually this little button on the side, and he's got two little ridges that you can actually hold on to. And when you push that in, he's got some kind of punch gimmick, to where it's kind of like, you know, a revival thing. Like, for example, you get a certain transformer on the ground, you can actually get him to go. I've actually gotten him to do this once, where I got him to rub his hands together and yeah, it's a really nice thing, considering the fact that he's supposed to be a medic. That stupid little, he's got that little thing on his arm that allows you to put the EMP emitter on him. But, you know, I like these better. You know, these, personally, I think these he should have gotten instead of those stupid magnets. He never used these in the show, though. I don't know why. But, oh well. I don't really care. He's still a nice figure. Again, he's a figure that was made possible by my uncle. And, you know, let's just get him in with another incarnation of Ratchet. Move him over to the side just a wee bit. And then we're going to bring in 2.0 Ratchet. Yeah. Both, Ratchet, I always thought Ironhide was better than Ratchet, but, you know, this was one of those, he's probably one of those figures where, like, I don't know if Ironhide's going to be better than him, to be honest. I'd have to wait until he's officially out. One of the animated figures I can't wait for is Rodimus Minor. You know, he's gonna be cool once he comes out. But anyways, yeah, Bionicle Combiners signing out from Transformers Animated Cybertron Mode Ratchet.